I made 22 chains, and after making 22 chains I'm going to make 20 double crochet into each stitch. Skip first 3 chains, and then first double crochets will be in the 4th chain, then I'll carry on with the double crochet into each chain until the end of the row. Here I am at the end of the row, so I will join the color B, which will be the green color, because the tulip stitch which we are going to make, it has the green leaves. So always for the leaves we always use a green color. So here is the second color. I'll turn the work on the wrong side. What I will do is that I will make the either do 1 double crochet or just a chain 3. It's up to you. I'll always like doing this double crochet in the beginning, because then the work stays straight. After making a double crochet into the first chain, I will skip 1 chain, and into the next chain I'm going to make a double crochet. Then chain 2, then double crochet into the same stitch. This is called a V stitch. This is gonna serve as the petal for the tulip stitch. Now I'll skip 2 chains and repeat the V stitch into the next chain. Now we are at the end of the row, and just like the beginning, we have 2 stitches left. I'll skip the 1 chain space and into the last stitch, which is actually the top of 3 chains which we did in the beginning. I am going to make 1 double crochet, and here I am not going to carry on. I will introduce the next color for the tulip. For the tulip stitch, I am going to join in the red color. To complete that stitch, chain 1 to secure the red color we just joined in. Now on the right side of our work, we are going to make 1 double crochet on the top of the first chain. To make this kind of double crochet is first make a single crochet. That's another technique. First single crochet, then put the hook into the furthest side of the single crochet, yarn over and take another single crochet. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's how this single crochet is done. It keeps the work straight instead of the 3 chains, because 3 chains they don't look straight. Now I am going to make 5 double crochets inside this V stitch. 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'll take the hook out, insert the hook. This was our first double crochet. We're not going to touch this. Insert the hook into the first double crochet which we made inside the V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Insert the hook in the first double crochet, take this loop on and pull it through. This is going to be a tulip, first tulip flower. Since we know that there is 3 chains between, so we have to create that gap here on the top. So we are going to make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we'll create the same tulip flower again inside the V stitch by making 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull the loop long, then insert the hook into the first double crochet of the V stitch. Take that loop on like this. Don't pull it like that, take it on like from behind and pull it through. Tighten it and make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. That's how we are going to make our tulips all the way until the end. Watch you at the end. Now I am at the end of the row, so after doing chain 1 I am going to do 1 last double crochet into the, bring the white yarn up here again. I did not cut it, I'll sew that at the end. I don't like cutting the yarn a lot. And here I'll start with the white yarn again, turn over the work. I'm going to make the same double crochet I previously taught, and 1 double crochet into the chain space. Then after that 3 double crochet into each chain space. So here is my pattern complete. You can see the tulips fluffy ones.
Fake leaves. They're fake.